Hello friends, today we will learn how to create a Google form and share the link. So it's very easy. If you don't know, watch the full video. So first open Google Chrome and click on dot in above. Now keep scrolling down and click on the circle form. You will see a page open up. Click on new form. See, here you can enter the name of the form and the purpose for which you want to create it. Now enter the question. For example, I will give what is your name. Here you can see there are many answer options like date and time. Now based on your needs, keep providing answers to the questions you input and click the plus button to create a new question. Here I am adding another question. Date of birth. Now as many questions as you add, keep clicking on the plus V icon. And after it's done, click on publish. And then click again. And from here, copy the link. And click on short URL and copy it in the new tab above. Let's see how our form is made. Now you can see my form is ready. I will now fill it out. After it's done, I submit it. I go back to the golf course again. Now I check if my phone problem is fixed or not. You can see this form is created. If you like the video, please like and subscribe.